Hi, I'm Devanay, a project expert. Welcome to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Today's question is, how do I choose bathroom tile? Tile is a great surface for wet environments. It's durable, easy to clean, and protects the underlying structure from water damage. And with a huge variety of colors, shapes, and finishes, there are lots of choices for your bathroom update. When it's time to start shopping for bathroom tile, there are a few key considerations: where it's going to be placed, what it's made of, and style. Let's start with location. Is your tile going to be installed on the floor, the wall, or inside a shower? Not all tiles are appropriate for every surface or location. Floor tile is thicker and tested for impact and stress strength. And floor tiles often have a textured surface to make them easier and safer to walk on. Wall tile is thin and lightweight to reduce the vertical drag on wall installations. Tile that's designed exclusively for wall installations shouldn't be used on the floor because it's more likely to break under pressure. Some tiles are often rated for both wall and floor installation. Be sure to check the product specifications to make sure you're getting the right material for your project. Next, let's look at the tile materials. Ceramic tile is made of clay and water, which is shaped, then fired in a kiln. Glazed ceramic tiles are waterproof, making them ideal for wet applications. Unglazed ceramic tiles are water resistant but not waterproof, so they're not appropriate for wet locations. Like ceramic tiles, porcelain tiles are made of clay and water, but they're a more durable choice because they're denser, stronger, and less porous than their ceramic counterparts. Both porcelain and ceramic tiles come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and colors, including finishes that mimic other materials like marble and wood. Glass tiles are usually used on walls as a backsplash or a decorative element in combination with other wall tiles. This material has a unique sheen and visual depth and is available in many colors. Marble, travertine, granite, limestone, and other stone varieties are not man-made, so each piece is unique. These natural materials are beautiful and usually quite strong, but each has its own care requirements. Some require a sealant or a glaze to help resist water and stains. Finally, let's talk about style. Tile comes in a huge variety of shapes, sizes, colors, and patterns. In this space, we used two different types of tile. On the floor, we used an 8-inch hexagon tile. It has the appearance of marble, but it's made of durable, easy-to-clean porcelain. It's also slip-resistant, which is a great choice for bathroom floors. We echoed that hexagon shape in the wall tile. This 2-inch porcelain tile has the look of stone with a matte white finish. To learn more about choosing the perfect tile for every space in your home, check out our buying guides by clicking the links below. And visit build.com to shop for everything you need for your next project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And tune in next time when we answer a new question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching.